My name is Joe Gerstel, and today I'm going to talk to you about how Proficy Smart Factory helps enterprises like yours achieve enterprise scale faster and more efficiently and effectively so you can stay ahead of your competitors in demanding markets that you're in. So let's talk first about scalability of Proficy Smart Factory. Proficy Smart Factory is tested against about 500 users at a single time on one system. And we want that response time to be extremely snappy. So if you're used to using something like, say, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, things like that you get a lot of response time quickly, that's the kind of experience we want to bring to you with the web client that Proficy Smart Factory offers. You can scale it up very easily, and it handles a number of users both on the back end and the front end with fast response time. It's a highly flexible application as well. In fact, it can be used for things like continuous process industries like food and beverage, consumer packaged goods, like shampoo or detergent, as well as more stepwise applications or industries. So perhaps if you're making aircraft parts, or you're making tractors, or even in some cases, you might have a blend of the two. And that's what makes it really valuable and powerful in those industries. In terms of standardization and allowing you to ensure consistency across your operations, that's another great value point that we bring to the table. With the ability to have work instructions for your operators so they know what to do, and to keep those work instructions up to date as things change. So this system would help you do that through something called document management, where you can have multiple revisions of a given digital document, like a PDF file, for example, that is available directly in the system in the user interface, specific to the operation or that order that you're executing. In terms of integration, speaking of orders, Proficy Smart Factory integrates with a number of ERP systems. Very common to see our customers integrate with SAP, for example. But we also do Oracle, we do Dynamics, we do a number of ERP systems, which is really important because that's where your orders come down onto the shop floor. From the customer orders, they turn into shop orders. So in addition to that, we can interface with, say, warehouse management systems or other systems, scheduling systems, that we can take in that data and apply it to the orders that you're trying to run through your shop floor. You probably actually use products that are made using Proficy today. We have a number of large corporations that use our product. Surely one of them that you would recognize makes things like shampoo or detergent or tissue paper or paper towels, or a number of different things that are all used by us in our home every day. In addition to that, there's other companies that use our products to produce aircraft engines. So we are GE Vernova. Our sister company, GE Aerospace, also uses our software, as well as our own GE Vernova company, who produces things like turbines. So it's widely used across multiple industries and multiple customers. So what's the key takeaway? Well, Proficy software, including Proficy Smart Factory, helps enterprises like yours modernize faster, gain competitive advantage, and it does all this through unmatched scalability, flexibility, standardization, and integration, making it really a very valuable tool for manufacturers that produce just about anything.